A really big thanks to all the volunteers who've come down and local volunteers who've helped today be really successful. We've had about over 130 people come, had a really nice day. You can see the sun shining, it's been really nice and warm, and lots of nice activities, a bit of forest school and circus skills and lots of cake. So we really welcome you, if you haven't made it down today, to come next time. We do have a new leaflet with a map of LLYN PARC MAWR and the lake and all the nice walks to enjoy, and we volunteer once a month, the first Sunday of every month, so you're more than welcome to please come down and to manage this part of the woodland. So look out for any events we've got in the rest of the year, and thanks very much, and once again thanks to all the volunteers that made it work today. Thank you.